Before you replace your headlight motor, make sure you check the relay first. It's a lot cheaper and easier to replace. The headlight motor is located in the right front of the engine compartment beside the windshield washer reservoir and indicated by a red arrow. The first thing to do is remove the cover off the top of the motor to determine if the motor has a hand crank to raise and lower the headlights, red arrow, as some of these earlier motors did not. There should be a plastic cover over the electrical connection on the motor protecting the connection and the relay. Unfortunately, over the years, these go missing and people replace them with all kinds of things. Our project car was wrapped with yards of duct tape, red arrow. Remove the cover or whatever you find protecting the wires. With the cover removed, replace the relay and see if it solves the problem, red arrow. If replacing the relay does not solve the problem and you're going to replace the motor, I like to disconnect the ground cable, red arrow, from the battery and place it so where it can't accidentally come in contact with the battery post while you're working. The motor has a surprising amount of torque. You do not want it moving while you have your hands in there. Remove the electrical connection to the motor, red arrow. Use the hand crank on the top of the motor, red arrow, to raise the headlights approximately half the way up. Part of the armature covers one of the mounting bolts, yellow arrow. By raising it, you can get clearance to the bolt. With the arm moved, remove the two 10mm side bolts, red arrows. Leave the top bolt in place. Lower the headlights, returning the armature to the down position. This will give you the proper geometry when installing the new motor. Use a 13mm wrench and remove the nut connecting the motor to the arm, red arrow. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry the arm off the motor, red arrow. With the arm off, remove the last 10mm bolt indicated by the yellow arrow. You can now remove the motor from the mount, leaving the mechanism in place, ready to install the new motor, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.